here is another exciting fold from the Best Pocket Square Holder. It starts with 2 pocket squares. This fold is called the link fold. That's right, the link fold. And it doesn't matter what size the pocket squares are, they're both going to work in concert with one another. So let's begin with this top one. It's about 11 inches by 11 inches in size. So we simply just take this here and we fold it over the top one time. And then we do it again, but in the middle. And then we do it one more time over the top. Okay, so that's what we got so far. We'll set that to the side. That's going to stay. Now we'll do the same thing over here. So this pocket square, we simply fold it in half, this direction. Then we take these ends and we fold it back inside each other because we want to keep all the edges smooth. And then we'll fold this over for that third one. So there's what we got at the top. Okay, so here's how we're going to do it. We take it and we set it like this first. And then the second half, we X it right across the top. So you make an X. So now that I've made an X, I'll take this gray end and this gray end, hang on to these 2 ends, and then I'll hang on to these 2 blue ends, this one and this one, like so. Pull them together. Look at that link. Looks like a chain, right? So I'll crawl my hands up to here, use one finger, and flip this over the top of that finger. This looks like a little knot. Now hang on to this knot like this. And I'm doing that because all this bottom here is going to go inside the Best Pocket Square Holder. Squeeze that open, tuck all the excess pocket squares into the bottom. Now that we have them in there, now we can manipulate them the way we want. And remember, the Best Pocket Square Holder is going to flatten it out. So now we take this little link, the left side and the right side, and we pull them apart. Look at that. It looks like a chain link. Isn't that cool? Now, consider this, before we put it in the pocket, it needs to rest along the inside bottom of your jacket pocket so it doesn't fall down. That's one. Number 2, if your pocket's ultra deep, you want to make sure you pull more of the pocket square out of the pocket square holder to take up the difference in depth. So now let's take a look at this awesomeness that we just created. So let's put this in the jacket pocket now. Insert. Again, resting along the inside bottom of the jacket pocket. And look at that look. That is the link fold. Now that's only made possible by our award-winning Best Pocket Square Holder. You gotta have this in your closet. This product is to a pocket square what a belt is to a pair of pants. You gotta have something to hold your pants in place. You gotta have something to hold your pocket squares in place. So that's called the link fold. And we also have another version for more slimmer pockets called the Best Pocket Square Holder Slim Edition. Make sure you look for the gold label. And there you have it, the Best Pocket Square Holder Link Fold. Check it out at any one of our participating locations or our website at www.bestwardrobesolutions.com.